All right, so let's get to the details. I'm not gonna go into specs and some of the names that I'm gonna use for these products. It's going to be made for our consumers to understand it. So all of our Control 4 installers, don't beat me up on the comments. Some of these names are going to be different than what you're used to purchasing. But the way centralized lighting works is that you have dimmer and switch models, two type of modules. One is going to give you the option to dim stuff up and down, and the other one is technically an on and off from 0 to 100. Those are the type of modules that you have. You do have some 10 volt and for triggers and relays and other stuff, but in this scenario, we're gonna focus on the 110 stuff. You have a dimmers and switches. Each of them is going to control up to 8 loads. This doesn't mean 8 fixtures, this means 8 loads. So if you walk into a room where your chandelier is a light, your drop downs is another light, and then you have sconces or something. Those are 3 separate loads, so that will take 3 separate slots on the dimmer modules. From there, all of this we pre-designed before we got to this point, but once power is ready to go, basically, we plug them in and get them set up for testing. That's currently what we're doing right now. This is a scenario where we've had 2 different electricians work on the project. The original electrician wasn't comfortable with centralized lighting, so we got one of our partner electricians to come out and bring this project to the finish line. In the process of testing, when you come behind someone, your workflow may be a little bit different, so there's a few things that we had to test and confirm before these racks, cabinets were actually installed. All those cables that you see over there on the left, technically, let me take that back. Majority of that stuff is for audio video, for the TVs, for the cameras, for the Wi-Fi expansion. However, this video is not about that. There is some lights on that side that are low voltage cabling that's being used to control the linear lighting that we have all over the house. That lighting basically has a transformer that is going to be housed here. Through that low voltage cable, we power the linear lighting that could be downstairs, that could be behind one of these cabinets, or even at the front of the house. One thing that I want to point out is this house has an amazing curve appeal, and it's something that you want to see because we haven't done anything like it.